In this video, I will show how to fix Microsoft Office error code 3001528. So click on Start, then Settings. Here click on Apps. Click on Apps, then Installed Apps. Here search Office. So here you will get the Office applications. Click on these three dots. Modify. Click on Yes. And here is the two fix. First one is the quick repair. It will fix most issues quickly without the need of an internet connection. And also you can select this online repair. It will fix all issues but take a little longer and required internet connection throughout. So firstly try this option, and if it's not work, so try this second method. Hopefully guys, using this method you can fix this problem. So thanks for watching.